Hello everyone. In this short video, I'll try to explain to you how to use the reflection tool in Primavera P6. So basically the tool reflection is basically used for if you are managing some various subcontractor in your project, and each one is responsible for like a work package. So instead of sending these the XCR file to each subcontractor, and he can start updating and then send it to the next one and so on and so forth. You can send a reflection to each one of them, and they can work on the reflection and update the reflection, and they can work concurrently and then send it back to you. So you'll save time, and it's easily managed, as you will see. You see now. So right click on the project, and then you choose create reflection. So after you choose create reflection, you'll find that there is a copy has been made from the project, and the word reflection has been added to the name, and you can find this question mark. It's next to the project icon. So let's say we have sent this one to the subcontractor, and now you can right click and open it. And now imagine that I'm the subcontractor, and I'm gonna update this reflection based on my current progress. So for example, let's say I'm only responsible for phase 1. So let's say I updated this one, and I updated this activity, and let's say I updated this activity also, and let's say by mistake I updated an activity in phase 2, which is removing the asbestos. So let's say I updated this one by mistake. So now I finished updating the reflection. I'm gonna send it back to the general contractor so he can include this in his main schedule. So what I'm gonna do is I'm right click on I'm now the general contractor. I received this reflection from the subcontractor. I'm gonna right click on the reflection. I'm gonna merge reflection into source project. So when I hit this button, I can see here that all this pop-up window that shows all the changes that has been made by the subcontractor. So if I collapse all, it's grouped by either subject area and activity. So in my preference to use activities, so if I open activities here, I can find that he updated only 4 activities. So each one, I can see exactly what he updated. This one was value before merging and value after merging. So this one is not started. It was not started before, and now it's completed according to the updated reflection. For example, it's also showing remaining duration, showing actual start, actual finish, and actual units, and also physical percent complete. This shows for every activity that has been changed by the subcontractor. So I can either accept this change for each activity, or I can ignore it. How can I do that? By checking this button. So let's say I'm gonna accept this one. Okay, I'm gonna accept also this one, and I'm gonna accept this one as well. But I'm not going to accept this one because this one is in phase 2, which is not included in the project, in the subcontractor's scope of work. So now after I choose which activities I'm going to accept in this update, I can start updating this one as well and putting my input. So I have prior to merging, I can create a copy of the source project as a baseline, or I can export it as a backup file, XCR file, so I can have the file before doing the merging. So I can have this backup file. Also, I can choose after merging. What's going to happen after merging? Do I want to keep the reflection? So this reflection will be kept as it is, as it is sent by the subcontractor, or I can delete the reflection if I don't need it anymore, or I can replace it after the modification that I have done, which is, for example, unchecking this one, for example. So after choosing which choice I'm going to make, I can hit the button merge changes. Once I hit this button, I can get this pop-up window that says merge process completed successfully. So hitting OK and then open my project, I can find that these changes, I'm looking here, these 3 activities has been updated accordingly, and the activity for asbestos has not been updated since I have not checked this activity while I was doing the merging. So this is a very, very useful tool. As I told you, if you're working in a huge file of XCR file, and maybe like you have like some like 5 or 6 subcontractors, and each one of them needs to update his schedule, this will save you a lot of time and effort to manage and to accept the changes. So I hope this was useful for you. I encourage you to try it yourself and let me know if it helps you, and also you can ask me at any time. I hope I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you.